Welcome to Study Loop.
Given this function 100 plus 40 sine of t over 2, first, if you're graphing this, you want to think about the midline. This is shifted up 100. Normally, the midline is the axis. So I'm going to just sketch the midline, which is y equals 100. And then we know that sine, if it's not any kind of phase shift, starts at 0 or on the midline. So that would be at 0, 100. And then we go to a maximum of 40, and that would be the amplitude of 40. So we're going to go up to 140 and down to 60. What I would recommend is to do some calculating here, like a t-chart. So if we had 100 plus 40 sine t over 2, and we just want to see a table of this information. So like it's 1, 119. So they go by tens. 2, 133.7. And then about 140, 3, 140. About 4, 136. Five, 124. Six, 106. 7, 86. 8, about 70. 9, about 61. 10, about 62. 11, about 72. Trying to get to one cycle here. 12, about 89. 13, 109. We've gotten at least through one cycle here. We want to keep that going through 25 minutes. Let's begin to answer some down here though. When t equals 2, we saw that it's about 134. We haven't got to 21 yet, but I'll record it when we get there. We got 14, 126. 15, 138. 16, 140, 17, 132. And then 116 and 97. then 78 and 65. And 60 and 65. At 21, it was about 65 decibels. The maximum we know is going to be at 140 decibels. But I'll go ahead and finish this curve as accurately as possible. Leaving off just 2 more to go here. 79 and 97. 79, 97.